Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Melbet casino bonuses. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. This is really easy, but you have to simply click on menu icon at the bottom right, and next you have to click on casino. Now you are going to click on promo, and here you are going to find out all the Melbet promo and bonuses amount are available into your Melbet account. So you are going to click next on check and activate in order to enter the promo code mentioned earlier in order to benefit all the bonuses that it's going to give you. So once you have done that, you click on activate, and you are going to use it directly into the casino app of here, into the casino option into your Melbet account, and it's as simple as that.